Yo, what's good, too? With the Lambo, got the stud. That boy, he be tripping. He dope, yo. Got Doge in the back. Feel me? Tap in. Hey. Bro, he don't shut the hell up. Hell yeah, man. I just put some grass seed down. And her fucking chickens just fucking was out last night eating the fuck out of that shit. Tessie. Son digging a pond. Trying to make him a pond, get pond ready for the summer. Feel me? Just put it under that tree. Roster, untangle Roster. Her ass tangled with her dirty ass nose. Look at her. Tangled up. The hell yeah, yo, man. There's only 4 puppies left. Go check the chickens out. About to order they coop. Just ordered their coop and shit, son. But yeah. Couple of olive acres, some I don't know the other shit. I forget the name. You got the first garden bed in, not you feel me, the raised garden, whatever this shit is called. I don't even know what it's called. But got that right. Them bitches growing. Oh, she cut the leaves off of them. Pruned them and shit. Green beans, them green beans right there. Carrots in the middle. And then them tomatoes. Oh, this is tomatoes. Cherry tomatoes over there, and then regular tomatoes. Yes, sir. So I'm building a pond. Gonna be a nice little decent pond. Maybe do it like 3-4 feet. Nothing too crazy. Need to get this backyard cleaned up. Yeah, we keep digging and finding all these rocks under the fucking ground. You can tell there's a house here. But all types of shit in there.
Me and Connor found all those bricks like in the middle.
You doing good though. You made a nice square and shit. This his experiment though. You feel me? We about to make him a YouTube channel. And then when I do it, when we make it, you feel me? Post it up on here. I gotta tap in. I don't know why she always knocking her food over. Roster. Shut girl. And she still tangled up. Huh? Yeah. Need to go and tangle her. But all right, girl, we about to go in the house. I got somebody coming to look at they pup. What's good, YouTube? We in the crib now. Oh, damn, who got a bird feed she was fucking looking for? But about to deworm these puppies, you feel me? Got Nimics too. Oh shit, I weighed all of them. Get them. Get them. No, record them. Look at them. They tweaking. They trying to jump out the motherfucking incubator. Let me put them down. Put them down real quick. All right, we got them all put away, but like I said, I got this Nimics too. You feel me? It's like it's 5 mLs for every 10 pounds. I did the math, so you feel me? They all about 2 pounds or under. So you feel me? They either gonna get a half a mil or 2.5, and I already took their weights. So you feel me? We about to get that. We about to get that going. This shit open. Oh, let me get it in good shape. You feel me? Gotta get this shit in good shape. Open up these syringes. They sell these cheap, like $1 or something, I think, at Tractor Supply. But got the little tiny ones. Feel me? But yeah, we're gonna start with this fluffy boy. We're gonna start with the fluffy boy. He 2 pounds, so he gonna get, you feel me? Gonna get half a mil. Just stick that joint in there. Damn. Half a mil. Look at him though. He's so, my partner taking him. His eyes, their eyes open. Look at this fluff. Man, he's so hard. Try. Yeah, he hard as hell. You feel me? But let's give him this medicine. You want to put it at the corner of their mouth. That easy. Feel me? All gone. Look at him though. Let me show him all for y'all for a minute. Right? Spice and Casino did they thing with this. Like he hard. Like look at his pattern. Nice. Fluff. He's gonna be hard. Feel me? He a boy. This a boy. No, I'm gonna go with the other boy. It's the other boy. He sold. Feel me? Shout out Joe, Samantha. They got them a beast. Like, look at him. He dope. They all getting fat. He about 2.3 ounces, so he gonna get a 0.5 too. So we get that shit going for y'all real quick. .5. Like look at this split face though, man. Try with the split face. Nice. For me. I'm gonna give him this. Come on, boy. Come on. Oh man, come on, boy. Open up. There we go. It was being a little difficult. He got a little bit on his eyebrow. They all getting nice and big, eating healthy, eyes opening, being able to see the world. They real move, real strong puppies, man. Real strong puppies. Then we're gonna go with another boy. You feel me? He 2 pounds exactly right here. 2 pounds exactly. Shout out Magic. But yeah, look at him, eyes open. Shout out Magic. Oh no, this is the wrong one. This ain't the one. I believe this one's still available. But he's 2 pounds exactly. He's beautiful color. Beautiful puppy. Beautiful puppy. But yeah, he about to get 0.5 also. Yeah, a little under 0.5. You feel me? The line under. Let's see if he cooperate. Oh yeah. Fat ass. Open his mouth right up. Huh. A good puppy. They all big though. The whole litter consistent. Even the little ones. The 2 little females. Gas. Man, this cat just keep up MJ, man. But we're gonna go to the other boy. His eye's not open yet. It's Magic's. Shout out my nigga Magic, bro. Appreciate you. Appreciate you. But yeah. Eyes starting to open. I don't know if y'all can see. Eyes ain't all the way open yet. I think he the only one without his eyes all the way open. Look like a little... But yeah. They all strong and, you feel me, active. He 2.1 pounds. So I'm going to do the same like I did for that one. Just under the 0.5 line. Just under. This that other one's twin. I'm gonna hold them up next to each other. Let's see if this one take it like that one. Oh yeah, look at him. Samantha and Joe, man, y'all got he gonna be stubborn. Y'all got a stubborn one on y'all hands. He ain't wanna take it. But yeah, the twinsies. Both tries. Beautiful puppies. Consistent. Beautiful pups. Then he'll go to the last boy. He the tiniest boy. He only 1.5 right now. His eyes was the first ones open though. He the smallest, but his eyes, he was the first puppy with his eyes open. Blue try. Litter so consistent, man. Couldn't ask for a better first Frenchie litter at all. Not disappoint. Casino and Spice did not disappoint, not one bit. Feel me? He gonna get 0.6, not 0.6, but 0.3. The rest of the puppies is all gonna get 0.3 because they all around the same age. The 2 girls and that boy. So he fat. He be feeding forever. But he gonna be nice, short back. Hey, look at him. He's still super small. Still super small. He's beautiful. Hey, he cooperating. He gonna be crazy. He gonna be super tiny. And his back is thick. He got a wide back. I don't know if y'all can see that on the camera or not. But yeah, man. So consistent. 2 females. I'm gonna go with the one that's already 0.3. She's sold. Right here. She's so dope. Hey, mamas. She only got one eye open still. Hey. Her eyes open. There it goes. They starting to open up now. Samantha and Joe, you feel me? They got two of them. They got that boy and this girl. You feel me? They got some of the best Frenchies in the city. For sure. Like, tiny. Like, she could literally fit in just one of my hands. Literally. 2.5 weeks old, she could fit in one of my hands, man. Like, she's nice. She gonna be nice and tiny. You can see her ears already starting to stand up. Let me give her some of this dewormer. She gets sick of me holding her. Good mamas. Damn, both of your dogs is stubborn. Oh, damn, you got two stubborn dogs. Come on. Oh, there you go. You got a little taste of it. There she go. They got two of the stubborn dogs. The rest of them took it pretty well. Put her down. All right, last one. .3.
No.
We got this girl right here. Last one. Oh man, my son is in the background acting crazy. But yeah, y'all. She dope. Like her ears and shit, like her face, kind of look like she might have some fluff to her. You feel me? She's so tiny, so it's hard to tell. Can't tell like the boy right there, but she definitely look like she got some fluff to her. I'm not even gonna hold you. Look at her eyes open, alert. They all healthy. Feel me? They all just sleep well. They do good. You feel me? I'm happy. Happy with it. Very. All right, we're going to deworm her and then, you feel me? After I deworm them, though, the pawn at the beginning, this is a couple days later now, you feel me, that I'm recording this. I'm going to show you what my son-in-law got done now. It just had a crazy rain, but I'm going to record, you feel me? I'm going to show y'all the progress he got done. But come on. Come on. Come on. She tiny too. Like she tiny like the other one. She ain't as tiny as the other one, but she tiny. But all right, man. I'm about to go show y'all the motherfucking the pond we built in. We about to get the liner. We're gonna get that set up. I'm gonna show clips of that. So, you feel me? Catch y'all in a minute. Little pond. Feel me? Little pond, nothing too crazy. Just rained all crazy. But yeah, man. We about to order the pond liner, get that all set up, document all that. Gotta get more flower beds. Can't forget about the chickens. But yeah, man. Just wanted to go y'all a little update of that. But alright, I'm gone, man. I'm out of here. 2-week update.